This is Hansini Havish channel. Please subscribe and share.
In 500 meters, turn left.
For like 5 hours, we didn't go anywhere. It's like, well, you gotta listen. But anyways, you guys are gonna go with the flow of the water to the right, and you're gonna try to make your way to the far side of the river, to the left side of the river. Once you guys have gone to the left side, you're gonna stay left underneath the bridge, and then you guys can go sort of anywhere you want. This section is gonna seem very straight. You're gonna notice a real big curve. Once you see that curve, though, you're gonna know that the natural springs are going to be on the right. Rescue and basically you're going to stay right underneath the hydro wires in the Forest Spring Bridge. The next main thing is Whiteman's Creek. Whiteman's Creek is really cool because it's 100% spring fed. It's actually where all the trout spawn. And it's really, really fresh water, and it's just really nice to go swimming in. So if you guys want to, you can basically bank on the far side right there. You guys can actually walk up today and try just swimming down section of the It's really, really cold, spring water. And it's going to be fantastic. After Whiteman's Creek, you guys are going to stop at our picnic area, which is on the right.
T grip at all times. You don't want to knock someone in the teeth, right? And then when you're sitting inside the raft, you want to sit half and half like here, right? Because these aren't actually a raft. You're pretty much just in charge of looking out for rocks and stuff like that. And then whoever's at the back, who is the captain, assuming that's you have the paddle. Yep, you're just going to use it like a rudder, right? So you're just going to, if you push it one way, it's going to go the opposite, right? Trust me, once you're on the river, you'll pick it up pretty quick, guys. But pretty much whoever's going at the very front first, you guys can hop on now. And then when half of you are on, we're going to push it out a little deeper, and then the rest of you can get on.
Okay.
So go ahead.